So over here, you can see that I have a web page right here. And let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto, let's say, for example, Windows 10 right here. So I'm going to go around onto Windows 10 page. And let's say what I want to do is I want to open this particular page on a small window on the right. In that case, I can go around and open this up in a sidebar. So to do that, I can go around and right click on the tab right here. And then what I can do is open in sidebar. And once you do that, you can see that this particular page now opens up in this small sidebar on the right hand side. So now what I can do is I can navigate around over here onto the other page right here. And over here on the sidebar, you can see that it is still Windows 10 page right here. I can go around and resize it and view these web pages side by side as I use the sidebar just like this as well. So you can see that I can also go around and open this up in a new tab or unpin the sidebar right here. Or I can go around and access different options as well. If I were to go around onto open a new tab, then it opens up the same page on the new tab over here as well, while this remains intact right here. Usually what you want to do is you may want to open up dictionary pages on the sidebar and so forth so that you have easy access to it while you're surfing out other web pages over here on the main tab right here. And that is how you can open up the web pages you like in sidebar inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.